Hello everyone, welcome to a new video on Tropical Storm Idalia. So the storm is strengthening gradually as the winds are now at 70 miles per hour and the minimum pressure is at 987 MB. Storm surge warning, hurricane warning, tropical storm warning, storm surge watch, and a tropical storm watch are now in effect for parts of the west coast of Florida. Here's the current track in the warnings. The current track is subject to change, and also the intensity too. So right now it has making landfall in the Big Bend as a Category 3 and then emerging off the coast of Georgia and the Carolinas around Wednesday night. Here's the current satellite imagery. So the convention is organizing gradually. The wind shear is keeping it in check so it won't get it up shear. So it won't rapidly intensify. Here's the wind shear map as I was talking about, like 10 to 15 knots. That's keeping it in check. Though the wind shear is expected to relax a bit tonight, which will allow it to start rapidly intensifying more tomorrow. Here's what the European shows. The Euro has been making landfall in the Big Bend on Wednesday morning, and it has. So the models have slowed in time. As a result, allowing it to stay in water and could allow it to strengthen more as well, which isn't good. So the GFS has been making landfall in the Eastern Panhandle. Please be aware that these are models will change. In fact, the GFS has a bit of a west bias. The H-bar as well. House has west bias as well. And it basically goes like around the GFS as well as a 953 MB, which is around like Cat 3. The H-Wharf is a bit more extreme. Has to make landfall as a Category 4 at a pressure about 931 MB, somewhere in the Eastern Panhandle as well. The HF, is that how you say it? One of the newer hurricane models that the National Weather Service put out, which has been making landfall in the Big Bend as a Category 3, and the HF is same thing, except it is much more extreme with the intensity, making landfall as a 926 MB hurricane, which is around like Cat 4. Here's the current storm surge map. There is going to be some dangerous storm surge with this system, so please be aware and have a plan. And so when the evacuation's been called, you have a plan in place and you'll know where to evacuate. Here's the rainfall map. There is going to be some pretty good rainfall from the system, like up to 6 inches with some more in the training bands with Idalia. And there is a bit of a flash flood risk with the system from the Big Bend all the way to the Carolinas as the remainder of the system goes in. So have a plan in place. If you are called to evacuate. And see ya, goodbye, and I'll be watching the models, and I'll be back here tomorrow.